Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province, boasts a history of over 2,000 years, is honored as the land of abundance, the hometown of giant pandas, and a UNESCO city of gastronomy. The city is famous for its laid-back, slow-paced lifestyle. People's Park in downtown is the best spot to taste authentic local leisure. Inside the park lies century-old Hening Teahouse, lined with bamboo chairs. Ordering a Gaira tea, watching the tea art, chatting and napping are the local life. Traditional ear picking is widely available in tea houses at Chengdu People's Park. Skilled craftsmen use a full set of professional tools to gently clean ears. The comfortable and soothing experience helps people relax and release stress, which is must-try local activity in Chengdu.
这衣服。
Wide and narrow alleys lie in Chengdu. It was built in Qing Dynasty, made up of 3 parallel adjacent streets: Wide Alley, Narrow Alley, and Well Alley. It keeps traditional Sichuan courtyard houses. You can find tea houses, Sichuan snacks, and handcraft shops here, free for visitors and open all day. It's a famous historic spot to experience slow Chengdu local life.
OK。
流水不负一世深情，只身回望太匆匆，此生多少情与重，只愿与你长相守。不变风雨细如舟，朝来寒雨几回眸，你在哪一方停留？天若有情亦无情，爱到最后要分离。你轮回的印记落在我眉宇。
哦，你这头的。要不你转一回吧？我不转，我不想吃了。哦。让它稍微凉一下，凝固，凉一下。刚想说给你扫的。
想起来我20块。好不好？
你打花的时候，你手机上这个桃子是不是很好弄啊？
带了400块钱。
我转给他现在这能跟不能吃吗？先收钱，谁付钱？
不。